In the Huberman Lab podcast, Dr. David Yeager, a professor of psychology at the University of Texas at Austin, discusses growth mindset and stress-enhancing mindset. Growth mindset is the belief that abilities can change under the right conditions, while stress-enhancing mindset reframes stress as a resource to be cultivated rather than a force that hinders progress. Dr. Yeager emphasizes the significance of mindsets in shaping individuals' beliefs about their abilities and potential. He explains how a growth mindset, which focuses on the belief that abilities can be developed through effort and perseverance, can lead to greater resilience and success. In contrast, a fixed mindset, which views abilities as innate and unchangeable, can limit individuals' growth and achievement. Dr. Yeager highlights a study conducted in collaboration with Carol Dweck and others, where a short growth mindset intervention for ninth graders had long-lasting effects. The intervention involved presenting scientific information, sharing stories of individuals who benefited from growth mindset, and asking participants to write their own narratives. This study demonstrated that a growth mindset intervention can lead to improved grades and academic performance over time. Effort beliefs play a crucial role in growth mindset. The belief that effort is a sign of lacking potential can hinder one's ability to embrace challenges and persist in the face of setbacks. Dr. Yeager emphasizes the need to address effort beliefs in growth mindset interventions to ensure individuals understand the value of effort in the learning process. The stress-enhancing mindset challenges the notion that stress is always detrimental. Instead, it encourages individuals to view stress as a sign of preparation for optimal performance. Dr. Yeager explains that individuals often have a stress is debilitating belief, viewing stress as a negative force that hinders their goals. By introducing the concept of stress-enhancing beliefs, individuals can shift their perspective and see stress as a tool to improve their performance. This reframing of stress can lead to changes in stress physiology and ultimately improve how individuals respond to challenging situations. Dr. Yeager introduces the concept of the mentor mindset, emphasizing the importance of supporting and empowering others to reach their full potential. He describes how mentorship can help individuals overcome challenges, build confidence, and achieve success. He also explains the mentor's dilemma, where leaders struggle to balance criticism with motivation. He emphasizes the importance of transparent communication, combining high standards with assurance and support to help individuals embrace feedback and strive for excellence. Dr. Yeager reflects on the human brain's innate drive to feel better and the constant pursuit of change and improvement. He discusses how adolescence is a critical period where individuals transition from relying on parental care to seeking social validation and acceptance. The fear of ostracism and the need for social belonging play a significant role in shaping behavior and decision-making during this developmental stage. This drive for social acceptance leads to changes in the brain, specifically in the dopaminergic system, which is influenced by hormonal changes during puberty. From an evolutionary standpoint, Dr. Yeager suggests that humans are wired to seek social connection and validation as a means of survival. The shift from parental care to peer acceptance reflects a fundamental shift in priorities and motivations during adolescence. The fear of isolation and the importance of social standing drive individuals to seek approval and recognition from their peers and community. Testosterone plays a role in driving obsessive practice and striving for status. Dr. Yeager emphasizes that the pursuit of improvement is not limited to specific domains, but can manifest in various areas such as academics, sports, or social relationships. Adolescents often engage in intense practice and learning during this period, driven by the desire to excel and be recognized by their peers. The conversation delves into the complexity of social hierarchies in adolescence, with Dr. Yeager highlighting the importance of having multiple pathways to status within a social group. He mentions research by sociologist Dan McFarland, which categorizes high schools based on their social hierarchies and the impact on student adjustment. Dr. Yeager explains that individuals in the middle of the social hierarchy often experience the most bullying as they strive to climb the ranks and gain recognition. Dr. Yeager shares insights from a national study on learning mindsets, which revealed that growth mindset interventions are most effective for low-achieving students in supportive classroom environments. He emphasizes the need to address both internal psychological factors and external structural barriers to facilitate long-term growth and development. By combining psychological interventions with sociological considerations, Dr. Yeager advocates for a holistic approach to promoting growth mindset and achieving positive outcomes. The conversation delves into the role of emotions in driving motivation and goal pursuit. Dr. Yeager discusses the interplay between emotions, such as desire and fear, in influencing decision-making and behavior. He references the work of psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky on prospect theory, which explores how individuals weigh potential gains and losses in decision-making processes. Dr. Yeager suggests that while fear of loss may be a powerful motivator, the prospect of gain and the desire to make a meaningful contribution to others can also drive behavior. Dr. Yeager explains that attaching motivation to making a meaningful contribution to the world can make the striving process easier and more rewarding. By combining self-interest with a pro-social mindset, individuals can find motivation to work towards their goals. This approach not only benefits the individual, but also has a positive impact on society. By adopting a contribution mindset, individuals can find fulfillment in their work by focusing on how they can make a positive impact on others. This mindset not only motivates individuals to strive for excellence, but also fosters a sense of purpose and satisfaction in their achievements. Additionally, by aligning personal goals with the goal of benefiting others, individuals can experience greater fulfillment and success in their endeavors. Dr. Yeager discusses the value of critique and feedback in promoting growth and learning. He acknowledges the importance of constructive criticism in identifying errors and improving work. He highlights the need for honest and high-integrity tools to help individuals recognize and correct mistakes. He also addresses the negative impact of excessive criticism and cynicism, which can hinder progress and create a toxic culture of fear and unethical behavior. Dr. Yeager references Mary Murphy's book, Cultures of Growth, which explores the impact of fixed mindsets on organizational culture. He discusses how a culture of genius, characterized by hypercriticism and fear of mistakes, can lead to unethical behavior and hinder innovation. In contrast, a culture of growth, focused on learning and development, fosters collaboration and resilience. Dr. Yeager shares examples of organizations, such as Microsoft and Boeing, that have shifted towards a culture of growth to promote creativity and problem-solving. Dr. Yeager reflects on his personal journey and the factors that influenced his career path. He shares how teaching in a low-income school and experiencing the loss of a friend to cancer shaped his decision to focus on motivating young people. His passion for empowering others led him to pursue research in psychology and neuroscience, ultimately leading to his collaboration with Carol Dweck and his groundbreaking work on mindsets.